Assalamualaikum students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start chapter number 1, primes, highest common factors and least common multiples. Let's start with the exercise 1a, question number 1. Determine whether each of the following is a prime number or a composite number. There are 4 numbers. First 87, so we have to find either it is a prime number or composite number. For this, first of all, we want to see the last number, that is 7, which is not even, so it is not divisible by 2. Now for 3, we can add both the numbers for checking it is either divided by 3 or not. 8 plus 7 is 15, and this 15 comes in the table of 3, so 87 is a composite number. What are composite numbers? Those numbers who have more than one factors, like 87. So 87 has factors 1, 3 and 87, that is more than 2 factors. Now question number part B, 67. So in 67 the last digit is 7, which is an odd number which is not divisible by 2. Similarly, when we add these two numbers, it gives us 13, which is also not come in the table of 3. It is not 5 or 0, and it is not come in the table of 7. So we can write 67 is a prime number. Why? Because 67 has only 2 factors, that is 1 and 67. Now part 3, 73. In 73, again we see the last digit, that is 3, which is not an even number, so it is not divided by 2. When we add 7 plus 3, it gives us 10, which is not comes in the table of 3, and it is neither 0 or nor 5, so it is not come in the table of 5, and it is also not comes in the table of 7. So we can write 73 is a prime number. Now last question, 91. In 91, first we see the last digit, that is 1, which is not comes in the table of 2. Now when we add 9 plus 1, it gives also 10, which is not comes in the table of 3. But when we divide this number with 7, it gives some whole number answer, so it means it is divisible by 7. So that's why it is a composite number. Because 91 has factors more than 1, 7, 91. So this is our first question 2 of this exercise 1a. If P and Q are the whole numbers such that P multiply Q is equal to 37, find the value of P plus Q. In this question, we have to find initially P and Q, then we have find P plus Q. So since what is number 37? First we find the category of this number 37, either it is prime or composite. So for this we divide this number, we see the last digit, that is not even, so it is not divisible by 2. Now for 3, add 3 plus 7, that is 10, which is not divisible by 3. So, and it is neither divided by 5 or 7, so it is a composite, it is a prime number, prime number. We know that prime number has only 2 factors, that is 37 itself and 1. So if P multiplied with Q is equal to 37, so it means one of them, either P or Q, is, let's say P is equal to 37 and Q is equal to 1. Why? When we multiply these two numbers, 37 multiplied with 1, it gives us 37, that is given. So now we find the value of P and Q. So finally, what is P plus Q? P plus Q is equal to, what is P? Is 37, and what is Q? Is 1. So we can say that 37 plus 1 is 38. So P plus Q is 38. That is our answer. Hopefully you understand the initial two questions of exercise 1A. For more, keep watching and support, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.